Modifying column width and row height can make a workbook's contents easier to work with, but you can also insert a row or column between cells that contain data to make your data easier to read. Adding space between the edge of a worksheet and cells that contain data, or perhaps between a label and the data to which it refers, makes the workbook's contents less crowded. You insert rows by clicking a cell and clicking the Home tab on the ribbon. Then, in the Cells group, in the Insert list, click Insert Sheet Rows. Excel inserts a row above the row that contains the active cell. You insert a column in much the same way, by choosing Insert Sheet Columns from the Insert list. When you do this, Excel inserts a column to the left of the active cell. Inserting, deleting, moving, and hiding rows and columns. After you've been working with a workbook for a while, you may find that you want to insert new columns or rows, delete certain rows or columns, move them to a different location in the worksheet, or even hide them. To insert rows, select the row heading below where you want the new row to appear. For example, if you want to insert a row between rows 7 and 8, select row 8. Click the Insert command on the Home tab. The new row will appear above the selected row. When inserting new rows, columns, or cells, you will see the Insert Options button next to the inserted cells. This button allows you to choose how Excel formats these cells. By default, Excel formats inserted rows with the same formatting as the cells in the row above. To access more options, hover your mouse over the Insert Options button. Then click the drop-down arrow. To insert columns, select the column heading to the right of, where you want the new column to appear. For example, if you want to insert a column between columns D and E, select column E. Click the Insert command on the Home tab. The new column will appear to the left of the selected column. When inserting rows and columns, make sure you select the entire row or column by clicking the heading. If you select only a cell in the row or column, the Insert command will only insert a new cell. To delete rows. It's easy to delete any row that you no longer need in your workbook. Select the rows you want to delete. In our example, we'll select rows 6 to 8. Click the Delete command on the Home tab. The selected rows will be deleted, and the rows below will shift up. In our example, rows 9 to 11 are now rows 6 to 8. To delete columns, select the columns you want to delete. In our example, we'll select column E. Click the Delete command on the Home tab. The selected columns will be deleted, and the columns to the right will shift left. In our example, column F is now column E. It's important to understand the difference between deleting a row or column and simply clearing its contents. If you want to remove the content of a row or column without causing others to shift, right-click a heading, then select Clear Contents from the drop-down menu.